Experiment, floating and sinking. How can a coin float on water? At Dolphin Class, Kingdom Baby Shark, children explore a super exciting science experiment about floating and sinking, discovering the magical forces of water. The question for the kids: why does a small coin usually sink in water? And is there any way to make it float? The children experiment together. Drop a coin into a glass of water gives it immediately sinks to the bottom. Then try placing it carefully on a floating object like foam or special paper gives the coin can temporarily float on the water surface. Navy is amazed when the coin disappears into the bottom of the glass. Rocky excitedly repeats the experiment many times to see when the coin might float. Penguin carefully remembers. Heavy objects usually sink. Light objects float. Coco creates a treasure hunt game with floating coins. What children learn? Understand floating and sinking concepts. Recognize material properties. Develop scientific observation skills. Encourage curiosity and exploration. Dear parents, would you like your child to experience this magical floating coin experiment like Dolphin Class? Please comment below so Baby Shark knows.